Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to drop a pin in Google Maps. So let's have a look now. I start by opening Google Maps and choose the place where you want to drop a pin. Zoom on the location and just hold the finger on it. Now as you see, you got a pin here. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.